Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is hotel room tour that I'm showing in Belconnen, in the hotel room tour. So here I am just showing you the bathrooms, towel uh, and bath towels as well. And how weird is that there's no bathroom door as well? Because as soon as you step in, it's just glass window and there's a fan up there as well, and also nice toilet in there. There's only a one toilet bathroom actually. And here in the bedrooms, I'll give you guys a look out the windows. There's three beds as well. So the bed in the middle is mine. So here I'm looking out, filming out the window as well, and there's a driveway on to the left on Belconnen Way, and traffic lights there too. And there's amazing sun. You can look out and see the sunrise as well, which you'll see that in day 5. Sorry, the air conditioning heater's on. Middle bed's my bed that I slept in. Left bed is my younger brother's bed. The right bed is my dad's bed. That's the bathroom I'm showing again. The couch where you can put your things. Table where you can sit in. And the door, yeah, and that's also that. Yeah, and this is room one hotel room tour, room 100.